Couple years ago, smartwatches finally became unbelievably waterproof, so now one can jump into the pool with Apple Watch and smartwatch will provide a matrix of your swimming activity. The watch can detect not only the beginning and the end of the swimming, but also the style of your swimming, how they are doing this. Of course, there are sensors detecting hands motion, but how iWatch detects swimming in the pool? What if the user is simply laying down on the floor during workout and moving hands like during swimming? Why this activity would not be registered as swimming? How this problem was solved by inventors? First of all, during the swimming, Apple Watch moves together with hand and change the position relatively X, Y, and Z axis. That's why the motion tracking sensors, tiny accelerometer and gyroscope inside the smartwatch can record how the watch is changing its position. And guess which exercises are done by the user? On this picture of the Earth, we can see that axis Z is corresponding to gravitation, and that's why the watch can even detect the turns at the end of the swimming pool. Next picture explains that different features of movement along the three axes allow differentiation of the exercises during rowing, elliptical workout, and swimming. Because although the movement during this activity can be similar, there is some difference in sensor reading. But in order to classify the swimming activity, the smartwatch relies on another sensor. Then this is pressure sensor. When the watch submerged into the water, the pressure sensor confirms that pressure is increased up to certain level, and that's the proof of the swimming. From trees' point of view, inventors utilized different sensors. So, according to the system of standards, one can build separate substance field models both for accelerometer gyroscope defining movement and rotation, and for pressure sensor distinguishing increased pressure. All this together allows defining of distance and style during the exercising. By the way, there are many inventive problems related to the swimming with smart watches. For example, did you ever ask yourselves why the water is not coming into the body of the smartwatches along the axis of the rotating crown? Think about it, and I'm sure that Tris will guide you to correct answer. Thank you for learning Tris with iTris TV. And if you like the video, like and subscribe. See you next time.